Passionate about science, physics in particular. Okay, so what I want to demonstrate here is some of the amazing magic of science with colours and with chemicals. So I've got some, like you could look at these as different waters, but you put the water together and look what happens. Okay, and it magically changes colour. However, we know it's not really magic, it's made up of these chemical substances. Now, chemical substances are used for all sorts of things, and they make plastic, and we make all sorts of petrochemical things that are all used in society. So it changes into a beautiful purple colour, and then look at that. And then it was supposed to have gone back to a clear colour. So I'll tell you what, it did. Look at that. There we go. It eventually did. Okay, so it's sort of pretty wonderful. So all these different colour changes. So it looks like water. You can see a little bit of green stuff in here. And then what happens? It turns this beautiful blue colour. So these are what we call indicators. These ones here, where we do different indicators, and then we can pour it back in here. And it'll go back to being a yellow colour there. So there are all these different colours that we can get with these indicators. And this is, there's magicians out there that call this magic rainbow water. And I think you'll be able to see why. So I've got this big flask, you can see a nice lovely yellow colour. And now if I just take the lid off this and I add a drop of this, all it takes is one drop for it to change colour. Well, actually, maybe a few more because I've got so much in there. Okay, I'll just put a little squirt in. And see, changing to a lovely orangey red colour. If I go a little bit more, I want it to go a little bit of a brighter red. It's very pretty. And then if we go the other way. So what this is, it is just an indicator. It indicates actually how much acid is in here or how much what we call alkaline in here. So that's sort of the acidic direction. And now if I go drop by drop and we swish it around the other way, then we'll be able to go back through the different colours. What is this here? It should be strong enough. There, it's starting to change colour now.
Oh wow, back to plain.
Back to plain, you call that plain? What would that be? Getting a bit green? So the green is actually the neutral colour. The green is when it is like pure water. And then it goes to an alkaline, which is like your drain cleaners, Drainos and things like that, which is quite alkaline. I want to get it to go through to all the colours of the rainbow. So I'm hoping it's going to go through a yellow to a violet colour. See, look at that. Beautiful rainbow water. This is quite amazing because it actually does go through all the colours of the rainbow, which are, what are they? Red, yellow, okay, so we could sing a rainbow. So here we go, we're down the other end now where there's this nice purple. So we've gone from the red at one end to the purple of the other. Okay, so that'll just do for the moment in here. What I wanted to do is to break it up and we'll go outside where we'll do some fireworks and something smoky, but I don't want to really set this off. Okay, so if we can all make our way outside, I'll follow up with my trolley. Okay, bye for now.